Hello, this is Dr. Brian Buccellato. I'd like to show you how I use 3D printed guides to deliver precision and perfection in implant treatment. This patient was fighting severe and routine tooth decay. He'd fought for many years doing fillings and crowns, and root canals, replacing crowns, and none of the work seemed to hold up. He always got new cavities, so he finally decided that he needs to go a different route. We made an immediate denture so he would have a denture placed the same day as teeth are being taken out. He used that denture for a few months while the bone healed and is now ready for implant placement. That denture was scanned into our system, and I've planned 6 implants in this software. What's really important is that these implants are as parallel to one another as possible. Using a 3D X-ray, I'm able to place all 6 implants virtually and align them to be 100% parallel with every other implant. We then 3D print the guide, which will fit exactly like his denture. This guide will have these sleeves in it, and the implant will be placed directly through this guide, resulting in the implant being placed exactly how it was planned in the software. That makes a very fast, easy appointment with excellent accuracy. He won't need any stitches, and the healing will occur with minimal discomfort. Once these implants have healed, we'll make a new set of teeth that will not have the roof of the mouth coverage, and he'll be able to eat anything as if it were his natural teeth. This is a snap-in anchored denture, also called an implant supported denture, that he'll be able to remove himself at home to allow for proper cleaning. This is a truly life-changing event. He can now eat whatever he wants and smile confidently. If you already have a denture and want it to be more secure, we can use this method to add a few implants and attach your existing denture into them. You'll wish you'd done it years ago, I promise. Thanks for listening and call us for your implant consultation.